Howdy there, Bryan, Texas, July 14, 2026, after heavy rain. All that water down that way is usually just bone dry. And all this water in here, it's usually just about 2 or 3 feet wide. Coming from straight ahead over in here. Usually that's only like 2 or 3 feet wide. And you can see it's going over to the park trail. The park trail is actually rushing into this. And then all this is coming from over there. Right here it goes under the road. Texas got a lot of rain today. Some parts extremely heavy with water rescues. Roads getting wiped away. 18-wheelers getting swept into the river. Pretty crazy. This is right next to my apartments. It's crazy when I see it like this. I've seen it like this before. But when it's usually just from here coming this way, like 2, 3, 4 feet wide. And nothing over there, and nothing over there, and nothing over there. It's usually just right here. It comes through here like this, just a few feet wide. Wow.